Today is day 2 of my Taiwan trip. Today we are planning to go to Shifen, Jiufen and Keelung Yeshi. So I'll be doing about 3 videos which I will share with all of you. Looks like the first video will be at Shifen, second video will be on Jiufen, and the third video will be on Keelung Yeshi. So now I'm currently on my way to the MRT TRA station. Let you all know how to take the platform. So if you are at the underpass, just look at the sign to say TRA and follow, and you can go to the TRA station. And from there, you have to take the station to Ruifang station and change to Qingxi line where you stop at Jiufen. That is where you will stop directly at Shifen station, and that is where it's famous for putting the lantern as well as the Shifen waterfall. So I'll be showing you more of such scenery soon. So to Ruifang, you can just go to platform 4. Or if you are unsure, you can ask the officer in front. They will let you know go to which platform. Yeah, so we're at platform 4A, which is on the left hand side.
哇，那边对，这么危险，你看，哦，没有遮的。
北上。这边。
两边的哪一边
4A。来呀，你看。 线，我们平溪线，所以要走三月台。平溪 station， 平溪 transfer line。Sign here, like they will say, Pingsea line waiting zone, just wait for the train. beautiful scenery is behind there. Very nice. It's very cloudy today. It's raining. I think the weather is also about almost 18-19 degrees. when you're at Jufen, oh sorry, you should be Sifen. When you're at Sifen, you also try this chicken wing that is wrapped in rice. It's very famous. Okay, two type of flavor. One is spicy and one is 原味。
阿妈5号，
阿妈好等哦。
OK。
号码6号，那旁边都可以坐着，稍等一下，这号码出来。号码6号。6号。
Almost forgot to film this chicken wing stuffed with rice or glutinous rice. It's very delicious. It's a must try in Sifen. Handmade.
可是这个饼干回去你那里会更好吃。
In Sifen, you all can try and buy it. Very
因为我
nice.
们现在等。
Yes, now I'm wearing a cap because it's raining. This is the famous peanut ice cream. Peanut ice cream. So behind the street is where all you can put in the lantern. Here, I don't know. People putting in lantern. OK 了，我们选这间了，选这间不要多人。
工作顺顺利利。
选这间，选这间。
工作顺顺利利。
你是老虎吗？
财运好，还有含金公司，怎么做？拿笔。
This is the price for lantern. So you can read Chinese, you can read English. So
我可能做加50而已啦。
对啊，加50。
这个颜色。
因为你要选哪个颜色
什么的？
？Not sure if you can see all the lanterns offline. Yeah, one is putting lantern. I don't know where you can see behind there. All flying out the lantern to the sky. I'll show you one where this one is going up already. So one right now. Huh? 不是哦。 see?
来3、2、1，放不要抓。手放不要抓。来。
So to go to the Sifan waterfall, you just have to follow the sign, go all the way up, about 30 minutes walk, and that's where you can. So we came into one store here on the way to Sifan waterfall. So we ordered Luo Fan and Yu Chai. So this is the Luo Fan.
Oh,
And then I think the lady also serving the vegetable.
饭哇，这个。
So this is the Luo Fan. And the veggie. So very nice and dry.
对，大概一个来
Very nice. Here the Luo Fan they use, I think, Taiwan meat that's very special. Okay, let me enjoy meal. So we order another extra, which is the guo tie. It also looks very delicious. Not sure. Let me try. I think it's very hot. One sound. Delicious, but I think you need some vinegar. Hold on.
怎么解释？只要有真心的建议。
Take two. We need two. Good. Here, 찬.
菜，研究，有没有找研究？
总共190人哦。
另外就是啊，谢谢。So vinegar.
来，还要找啊？等一下那边有的找吗？
Very good.
啊？都没有开，你在下雨啊。
So we walk to
礼拜天全部开到完。
Sifan waterfall. You can see all the residential area here. On the way to Sifan waterfall, you can see all the residential. You can see some of the houses. They plant their own vegetable for their own consumption. So quite interesting. So the hike, I think, is about 20 minutes to the waterfall and then come back to the Sifan railway station is about 20 minutes. So total you need to factor in 40 minutes for the hike. Go. Now when you reach the Sifan, there will be a sign on your left, left.
大概是呢，他放 哎，来地面等什么？
bus.
有巴士？
So there's a toilet. If anyone need to use toilet, you can go to use toilet. You know, you can continue go to Sifen all the way straight. There's a back. So where you are, so the hike is about 20 minutes. Yeah, river trail, you just follow. So to go to the water, or you just have to go down when you see this Yan Jing Dong Fu Bu. What's water is straight. Down and you can see one right there because it's drizzling in November, so it's a rainy season in Taiwan. That's why the weather is cooling, but it can't be helped. To enjoy myself, so I have to come here and let's enjoy the beautiful view of waterfall where you can hear the waterfall sound.
上次看他们开这个桥。
There's an interesting dog here sleeping. Enjoying his pool. Weather. Wow, and checking down to the waterfall. So you want to go to the waterfall, you need to cross this suspension bridge. 会摇咯，哦，那个鹰啊。
被他这边绑的嘞，绑的嘞。
OK，走。We cross the bridge in order to go to the waterfall. The mini waterfall there, if you can see, I'm not sure if you can see. My camera can't do that. So now after crossing the bridge, after you look down, I think that is where you can see the main waterfall. After you walk towards the end of the trail, that is where you can see the waterfall. Let's see what you can see on top. This is where you can see the waterfall. I will do a selfie. Yeah, this is good where you can see the waterfall. And on top is the train. Just passing by. Oh, I'm so lucky. Oh, we got the middle. Okay, this view is very good. You can see the train. So if you continue climbing out, then you can see the full view of the waterfall. Okay, once you climb out, then this is the waterfall. Then you can see the beautiful view of the waterfall of Sifen. So that's it for this video. You can enjoy the waterfall, and in the next video I'll show you how to take the train from Sifen. You can go to Jiufen, and that is in the next video. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.